Hello everyone, my name is Meshkur Ali. Are you having trouble updating your Roblox game? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to update Roblox on your phone, tablet or computer. It's really simple and I will walk you through each step one by one. By the end of this video, your Roblox will be up to date and ready to play again. So let's get started. The new version of Roblox has already been launched and you are still using the old version on your phone or computer, then there is no manual update option available. In that case, you have to uninstall it and reinstall it again. If you are using Roblox on your phone, press and hold the Roblox player icon for a few seconds. You will see the uninstall option there. Click on it to uninstall Roblox player and then reinstall it. And if you are using Roblox on your computer, then you have to go to control panel to uninstall it. After that, you can reinstall it. Look here, you will see the search button. You have to search for control panel and click on it. After clicking on it, you will see the uninstall a program button at the bottom. You need to click on that and scroll down. Then you will see Roblox player there. Right click on it and uninstall it. The process will run for a few seconds and Roblox player will be removed from your computer. After that, go back to the official Roblox website and click on any game, then click on the play button. As soon as you click on the play button, you will see a download and install button. Click on download and install button to reinstall it again. In this way, you can easily update Roblox on your mobile or computer and enjoy its new features.